All right, so hello guys. Today I'm going to be walking you through a full breakdown of market structure from beginner level to professional level. So before we go into that, first and foremost, uh, we have to talk about what is market structure. What is the importance of market structure in the markets? So what is market structure? Market structure means the structure at which the market is going towards, the direction of the market. You know what I mean? If the market is in a buying momentum or the market is selling, so you need to know the direction of the market, who's controlling the market, because there is no way you're gonna start looking for sales in a market that is bullish. You're definitely gonna hit a lot of stop losses and vice versa. So the direction of the market, that is what market structure means technically. So first and foremost, for you to identify a proper market structure, you need to identify a series of higher highs and higher lows forming in the market. Something similar to this. Okay. So you need to see something like this, a series of higher highs and higher lows forming in the markets. So this is for the bullish markets. Okay. So, all right. And then for the bearish markets, you need to see the opposite of what I'm showing you. You need to see a series of lower highs and lower lows, just like this. Okay. To see price creating a series of lower highs and lower lows. All right. So that's it. So, all right. So once you've learned to identify something like this, these are some little examples on the charts. For example, sorry, these are some little examples on the charts. This is bullish momentum, as you can see right here. Price is creating a series of higher highs and higher lows, exactly here, making breakouts on the upper side of the charts, as you can see right here. So this is clearly a bullish market, as you can see. Okay, so and for a bearish markets, this is a bearish market. This right here is consolidation. We're going to get into that, but for now we have to look at the trend first before going into this. So this is clearly a bearish market, as you can see. Price is creating a series of lower highs and lower lows right here. Okay, so this is very clear, as you can see. All right, so this right here is a bullish market, as you can see here. The bullish market, and this right here is a bearish market. Okay, all right. So you see a series of higher highs right here, and a series of higher highs and higher lows, and here we have a series of lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so once you've learned how to identify these in the charts, then we move to what I call market structure shift. What is market structure shift? When price is, for example, when price is going to the upside, higher highs and high lows, how do you know that the how do you know when sellers are coming into the market? Just like this, for example, here, price has been selling. So how do you know that the buyers are coming in? This is where we talk about the market structure shift. So what is the market structure shift? This is when price breaks a specific low or high in the markets. Example, if you're seeing a series of higher highs and higher lows, in the market, something like this. So when price breaks the last previous low in a bullish market, something like this, that is what I call a market structure shift. You can also call it a change of character. It's all the same thing. So this is a market structure shift when price breaks this low and it starts to create a. This is when you see price going down, creating lower highs and lower lows. So this right here is the market structure shift when price breaks the last previous low. So when price is trending, is on a certain structure, it keeps breaking the highs. This is on a bullish market. So and on the bearish market, it breaks the lows. But when the opposite happens on any of these markets, that means that there is a market structure shift. So what does that mean? If the price is bullish, breaking higher highs and higher lows, breaking highs, the moment price breaks a low, that means there is a market structure shift right there. So this is a clear example of it on the charts. Price breaks the last high right here, and that means this is a proper market structure shift here, which means the price is becoming bullish, as you can see. So, and the next thing we talk about the consolidation. This is where price keeps moving in a certain range, up, down, and up, down, just as you can see right here. Okay, so most importantly, what you have to pay attention to is the market structure shift and the trend. This is not really as important as this. If you really want to make a lot of money in the markets, you have to follow the trend. You understand what I'm saying? All right. So once you come into the markets, first thing you need to do, you look for the trend in the markets. You look for high highs and high lows. And once you see something like this, a market structure shift, that means the trend is over and the price is shifting to a different trend momentum, to an opposite trend momentum. Okay, so that's it for today. Go make some examples. You can go look for some live chart analysis to see some examples on this. Thank you.